This is my road trip from Bengaluru to Kerala, staying, cooking ourselves, and exploring with a minimum budget of less than 10,000 per head. Traveling near 2000 kilometers for a week and covering most places like Tenmala, Jatayu, Ponmudi, Adimala, Alappuzha, and Kollam. This is our final day of camping and cooking. Welcome back to the new episode of 2023 Alappuzha Boat Race. As the sun rose over the serene backwaters of Alappuzha, a small town in Kerala, the air was filled with excitement and anticipation. It was a day of the annual boat race, a tradition that had been celebrated in Alappuzha for centuries. The entire town was bustling with activity as people from neighboring villages flocked to witness the grand event. Colorful flags and decorations adorned the streets, and the sound of the drums and the trumpets echoed through the air. The boat race was not just a competition, it was a celebration of the town's culture and history. The boats used in the race were traditional snake boats known as Chundan Vallams in the local language. These long and slender boats could carry up to 100 people and were adorned with vibrant artwork and designs. The race was held in the beautiful Punnamda Lake, where the water was calm and the scenery breathtaking. As the boats lined up at the starting point, the excitement among the crowd reached a crescendo. The teams were made up of local villagers, each representing their own villages, and the competition was fierce. The race began with a loud gunshot, and the boats glided across the water with tremendous speed. The synchronized rowing of the team members was a sight to behold, as the boats cut through the water with precision and grace. The spectators cheered and shouted words of encouragement, arguing their respective teams to victory. As the race progressed, it became evident that two teams were in the lead, the Kottayam team and the Alappuzha team. The rivalry between these two teams were well known, and it was no surprise that they were neck and neck in the race. The crowds erupted with a frenzy as the boats approached the finish line, with the Kottayam team inching slightly ahead. But in a stunning turn of events, the Alappuzha team suddenly gained speed and overtook the Kottayam team, winning the race by a narrow margin. The town of Alappuzha erupted with celebrations as the winning team was showered with flowers and praise. The team members were carried on the shoulders of the villagers, their faces beaming with pride. The boat race in Alappuzha was not just a competition, it was a symbol of unity and community. It brought people together regardless of their difference to celebrate the culture and heritage. And as the sun set on another successful race, the town of Alappuzha basked in the glory of their cherished tradition. As you are aware, I spend huge amount of time creating experiences like this. Your likes, comments and shares reach me more audience. Thanks a lot for your time watching this video. I'll get back to you in the next episode. Until then, take care of yourself and keep exploring.